guys, we're at Cosham now, cutting pots for 3 videos! BRAYFORD! That's lucky! We're just about to get in the car and it just went off. It could stay down, really, couldn't they? That's weird, wasn't it? Can we go on footbridge with this one? I could do one on the station, one at Cosham, one on footbridge. Or we could do another one on the station, perhaps.
No, footbridge, that's it then. Right, what does your parents look? Oh, I know what your parents look. Which way do you think? This way.
I think it's going to be a steam train because it's... Hold on, I'm looking at the time. 17:47. It's 17:42, so it's coming from that way.
I think it'd be from this way.
No, look. It says...
bridge.
It says...
B-R-I.
I'm going here.
You sure? I
Yeah.
can't really see much out of this one.
I know. And we're not going on the station, but I can film it from here. It says 17:47. It's 17:43 now. Vic, 17:43. That was good. If it went off again, then we're going in the car again. That'd be strange, wouldn't it? We'd just have to carry on staying here until it went off. Until it keeps going off. Don't matter if we're late Frankie and Benny.
No, it does. This is it after this one.
No matter if it goes off again, no matter what.
Because you've watched a lot now.
That's 3 trains and maybe a double stay. Can't really see. So quite a lot of people on that station and quite a lot of people on that station, so I think it's going to be a double. 158, says Pots with Harbour. Got. I'm wearing over 5, that's one of the times I've seen you. Up they go, or it might be a stay.
Walk down here either way.
Yeah, up they go. Knew it. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Awesome!